Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my fluid art channel. I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America. Today's painting is, it took me a while to get to its place. So it did not start at all out anywhere close to where it ended up at. So I was utilizing a swipe technique, trying to create the dry swipe that I have used in the past in a couple of the videos. I'll link those up there. And then I ended up just painting the whole thing with shift black, which is kind of like a shift color paint. So it has kind of like a sheen of yellow in it, but it has black in it, so it shifts the color. And then I did a pendulum on top of it. So completely different from what I was going to do, but I love the texture of it and I love the end results. So let me show you what those look like. This is it. I think it is awesome. I wasn't sure I liked the drips. You see how there's some drips in here? And I was thinking, oh, I really wanted a smooth pendulum where it was just the lines, but I love it. I put it up on the wall, took some pictures, and I couldn't believe how great it looked. So I really love it. The flash paint, you don't see as much as you do with some other types of flash paint, but if you see it up close, it's kind of like a metallic, dark brown, yellow tint, and then black, obviously. So anyway, well, let's get you down the canvas and let me show you all the steps it took for me to get to this result, which I love. And I don't know if you saw the different texture in there, but I have all kinds of texture from the dry swipe to even when I was putting on the sheen or the shift paint as well, I was adding in texture too. All right, well, let's get you down the canvas and let me show you how I did this. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, well, let's get you down and let me show you exactly how I made this. Bye for now. Bye. So the texture of this painting will add some cool texture to this, especially since it's flash paint. Flash paint just reflects some really cool light. So everywhere you go, wherever you stand, it just reflects something different. It's kind of cool. There we go. I'm trying to cover all the blue the best I can. I think I'll probably add some texture with this too. I've been sitting on this black flash for a long time, not knowing what to use it for. Okay, well, we'll see how that dries. Okay, so we are going to do Pendulum again, and got it all set up. So now I'm gonna pour in my paint. There we go.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.